I'm so glad you made it to the end of the course, and you're probably wondering, what course should I take next? I get this question a lot from students, and I wanted to provide you a quick guide and overview of the other great classes I offer. At any time, you can go to lindsaymarsh.myportfolio.com for a full list of courses. You can watch preview videos there to find out which class might be best for you. There's even a discount list you can find at the top of my website that will give you access to lower priced course discounts at any time. First of all, I offer a few different categories of classes and some at different skill levels. If you're interested in beginner level courses, the Graphic Design Masterclass Learn Great Design is a great well-rounded course for reviewing graphic design, including graphic design theory, practical projects, and beginner level software training. This teaches the Adobe design software. There is a second intermediate level part to the Graphic Design Masterclass series called the Graphic Design Masterclass Intermediate, the next level. And the next level it truly is, as we talk more about intermediate design topics and projects not covered in the first masterclass, like infographics, advertising, and poster design, and includes a full intermediate level logo design process section complete with a 10-step guide, the golden ratio, isometric grids, and so much more. And taking the first beginner level masterclass is not required to enjoy this intermediate level course. Just having a basic prior working knowledge of the Adobe design software is suggested. Not interested in learning the Adobe design software? I also teach a design class that teaches all of the Affinity suite of products, including software that can replace Illustrator, Photoshop, and InDesign, and is a cheaper alternative for those looking for an alternative to Adobe products. Have you ever wanted to have one course that walked through all the details of the branding process, including brainstorming concepts, creating style boards, producing a finished logo, and then going all the way to the full brand presentation for a client, and then one for your portfolio? This intermediate level course takes your basic knowledge of software to the next level by providing you with theoretical aspects of the branding process. We will walk through the creation of a sushi restaurant brand and discuss how to start coming up with solid, authentic brand design projects that resonate with your target audience and clients. This course is perfect if you've ever struggled with that brainstorming process and trying to figure out where to start. Interested in going freelance with your creative skills? I have a very extensive course that goes over all aspects of freelancing in creative fields. And you'll set your goals and your target market. You'll create a personal brand. You'll build a portfolio. You'll learn how to find clients, create contracts, and learn how to price your work. And I recommend this class for anyone who has ever thought that freelancing could be for them. I also have two specialty courses that focuses on one topic. The first one is a specialty logo design mastery course, which dives deep into the logo design process. As we work with the golden ratio, we work with clients as we produce 2 full logo designs and create finished files. We'll also talk about logo design theory and learn Adobe Illustrator's awesome tools to help us create dynamic symbols, icons, and logos. Have you ever wanted to learn how to create your own customizable mockups? This course, taught in either Adobe Photoshop or Affinity Photo, depending on your software preference, walks through the basics of setting up your very own mockups, including product boxes, t-shirts, bottles, posters, and more. We even learn the basics of Adobe Dimensions to create a fully 3D product mockup and presentation. Some basic software knowledge is suggested before taking this course. Looking for more intermediate level courses, the Graphic Design Mastery course follows the entire brand design process from logo design to website layout for a high-end lotion brand. We'll create all the assets needed for a brand, including a package design, advertising, social media, stationery, and more, and it's a great intermediate level class. How is this course different from the branding masterclass talked about earlier? Well, this one focuses more on the technical aspects of design projects. It talks more about how to set up your artboards, sizing, exporting files, and a little less focus on the theoretical branding process. Newly added, this Digital Design Masterclass has a deep focus on digital design projects, including icon set design, social media graphics and campaigns, ebook covers, digitizing illustration assets and hand-drawn assets, website design in WordPress, and an Adobe XD. This is a great class for those wanting to expand their skill sets into popular and demand digital design projects. Recommended for those who already have some very basic fundamental experience in a Photoshop and Illustrator. Other software is taught from scratch. I also offer a great project-based course that has both beginner, intermediate, and advanced level projects. This is a pure project-based course, and we conquer lots of different popular design projects, including book cover design, food package design, branding for a conference, which includes large signage, lanyards, posters, and more. And we even do a YouTube thumbnail and an album cover. If you want to stay up to date with projects, design trends, course updates, and also participate in student design challenges, I have a lot of different social media accounts you can follow. I have an Instagram account at Lindsay Marsh Design, a YouTube account at youtube.com/Lindsay Marsh, and lastly a Facebook page, facebook.com/Lindsay Marsh Design. I try to give feedback to student projects. I even try to post free lessons and videos from time to time, as well as do those student design challenge review videos. So I look forward to seeing you there. Remember to check out my website if you're interested in finding any of these courses at a discounted price. And also keep an eye out for special deeper discounts that are offered periodically. If you still have questions on what class might be best for you, please feel free to reach out to me anytime and ask. I'm happy to put together a personalized course plan for you.